Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have quite a different video to what I'm normally shooting for you. It's actually a van. I've never driven a van or own a van, but fortunately enough now I have, because I actually won this in a competition. So I thought, what could be a better way than to share it with you guys? So if anyone who doesn't know, this is a VW Transporter 2019, and it's actually, as you can see, not a normal one, because it's got loads of green all over it, and that is because ABT have done a conversion on it, where they've fitted a lot of, they basically took the Transporter itself, taken it to I think it might be Richter Sport who did the work on it, and they basically did all work and had all the ABT styling to it and other various things to it. So I'll just, why not share it to you guys? So I'll just give you a little walk around. Hopefully I get this all in the shot. It's a big old thing, isn't it? A bit bigger than what I'm normally used to. I'm normally used to quite small hatchbacks, so bit of a change, but it's certainly it's definitely a stunner, that's for sure. And it's a proper head turner. I get a lot of looks when I've been driving this around. So what have ABT done to it then? So basically there's a lot of greenery you can see around. They are like some pearl inserts they put into the car. So you got on the front grille, you got on the bumper, it's ABT bumper or front skirt. You can see is just around here by the vent, well, fake vents this is. There's some more green around there. You get the rattly engine going on. ABT there. ABT badge there. LED headlights as well, all round, which is really nice. Really bright in the dark as well. ABT wing mirrors. Down here we've got some 19-inch ABT alloys. Don't know what they're called, but all I know is they are ABT, and it's also on ABT lowered springs as well, so it's got quite a nice stance to it, if that's what you want to call it. Another ABT badge at the back here. Come down to here, you've got ABT Valence, is that how you say it, or Valance? I don't actually know how to say it properly, so please forgive me. And then you've got the party piece itself. You've got quad, yes, quad ABT exhaust pipes. Two here with the ABT Sportsline logo on it. You've got two over here as well. Nice. And then come up here, you've got a massive ABT wing to go with it. You've got the green on the inside, and obviously it's black on the outside, but when it's proper like sunny, which isn't today unfortunately, you can properly see it's a great spectacle to see. So yeah, this is an ABT Transporter, and I don't know if there's many on YouTube, but there is one now. Oh yeah, ABT side skirts along the side as well. I forgot to show you that. There's just so much ABT, or I can keep saying this throughout the video, but yeah, there's so much ABT going on. It's all over the car. The van, that's the one. Not a car, it's a van. You need to remember that. We need to turn the engine off, it's too noisy. It's only a 2-litre diesel, so a bit rally. So where should we start? I don't know where to start. Well, it's for anyone who hasn't seen a van before, which they probably have, but not everyone has been inside a van, which I haven't. So let's just show you what it's got. So in here we've got this massive door bin, and I thought this was like a coffee cup or something, or I don't know. It's actually a bin. It's actually a VW portable bin. It goes in there. Storage there as well, which is going to be the theme out of this video. Storage. Look, storage there as well, for many other things. Grab handle to get up. If you're short like me, you might need to get this grab handle to get up. You've got some green ABT mats as well that goes in the inside the cabin, and then you're kind of welcome to these beautiful captain chair arms, like a captain, I don't know what you call it, you know, like in planes you have like the these on the side. It's like a captain's chair. Beautiful, isn't it? With the green quilted stitching along the really comfortable ABT seats. So as you get in, immediately in a VW. But it's a very commanding scene. This is about when you drive, put your arms down. Oh, it's a beautiful experience. So what else have we got in here? Dials in front of you, show you. It's basically like a Polo, if I'm honest. I've been at this sort of Gen Polo, and it's pretty similar sort of display in the middle. Same with the sat nav. Well, I realised if you put your finger near it like this, it knows you're going near it. It's quite weird. It's like a little sensor. It's quite cool. You just go near it, and it pops up with all these menus. Pretty innovative, if I don't say myself. So, and yeah, storage. So you got one up here with felt inside it. One here with a 12-volt socket inside there. Then you got some cup holders which come out like this. And then, believe it or not, there's more. Come down here. Whoa, look at that. You can put like, I don't know, like a bottle of shandy in there or whatever. This is the storage just doesn't stop. You come over to this side, more storage in there with a USB, I'm not sure what the other one is, but yeah, felt inside there as well so it doesn't go rattling. Come down here, more storage. It's quite a small glove box I think for a van, but I think we're already quite lucky with the amount we've got. But yeah, very spacious cabin. Obviously it's a van. You can put this chair right back and you've still got loads of room in the back. Well, there's more to show you. It's a nice interior of a van, if I do say so myself. Oh yeah, more storage up here. If you put your sunnies in there or whatever. Massive sun visor, but the actual mirror itself is quite small-ish. You saw a glimpse of what I look like, which I wasn't meant to do, but doesn't matter. What else have we got here? Oh yeah, it's quite dark in here, so why don't I turn on the LED lights. You got 1, 2, 3, 8 of them. 8 lights, LED spotlights, which kind of really livens up this cabin a little bit because it's quite dark in the moment. So I think I'm done really showing you the front, so why don't I head out to the middle row, or the back, whatever you want to call it. So you don't normally open it like a car, you have to slide it. Whoa, incredible. Have a look here, you got more ABT mats down here, and it's a beautiful row of seats. It's so elegant, so simple but so elegant. Love these seats. And look how much leg room I've got. I can literally stretch out so far. You can see the leather seated back with a bit of storage there. You can see Richter, that's the people who did the work to this van. Excellent job, I think. Then if you look at headroom, that's the M140 over there. But yeah, if you look up, look how much headroom I've got. Miles. You could be a massive 6-footer and have loads and loads of headroom. Yeah, loads of room. And if you're in the middle, normally you hate being in the middle, but if you're in the middle, you've got so much room to stretch your legs out because there's nothing in the middle. Great, isn't it? So yeah, really beautiful place to be, in the middle or the back, whatever you want to call it. Excellent. Just a little glimpse of the cabin as we come over here. I think it does actually need like this sort of like white creamy interior with the grey and blacks interior to just lighten up a little bit, as long as you've also got the headline up here. But if you come back here, it goes to like a grey fluffy headliner. But if you're a driver, most important, it's light and airy at the front. So that's that's that for the middle. Love this van. That shuts like that, and then simply just open the tailgate like that. Oh look, a fellow transporter friend didn't give me a wave. But yeah, space, so much space. I actually helped my dad move out in this van, and you can actually take those seats out, you can fold them flat, or you can completely remove them entirely. They're bloody heavy though, so yeah, caution with 2 people please. But yeah, so much room in here. Like you could have the seats in there, have some couple friends, imagine get into the van, lie down like so, and just stargaze into the stars. You just literally lie here, have a few drinks, like pop that is, like Coca-Cola, not anything alcoholic because you have to drive, and just watch the beautiful landscape which is here. Nice bushes. It's a really nice place to be. Huge boot, very practical, love it. And obviously we've got an ABT carpet here as well. So yeah, that's the van. There's no, what I was quite surprised, there wasn't like a electric tailgate. You actually have to put it down with this lever. But you have to be really strong to do that, so I have to close it with my forearm. But yeah, one last look whilst we're still here. Oh yeah, and you have some little like windows here that you can actually pull back, but I didn't have to do it properly, so I won't demonstrate. It's fairly like simple. You just got to, like, you know, pull like some lever, but I don't want to fiddle with it in this video. And there we have it, the beast. I'm not going to go in depth with driving it. I'll do a quick little drive and tell you what it's been like, but it's nothing too special. It's a little bit special, but it's nothing too exciting to get over. But I'll give you a short little drive anyway, just in case you might be interested. So, seat belt. Let's turn the LED headlights off. It might be distracting. Put your foot in the brake, press start, voila. DSG, I forgot to tell you, this is a GSG. It has a sport setting in the DSG, but I'll put it in drive because it's more than enough for normal driving. Oh yeah, parking camera as well, which does activate if you press reverse. There you go, look at that resolution. Right, so normally when I pull out of here I don't have to look very much, because I'm in a massive van I need to be extra cautious. But yeah, this van, what's it like to drive? The weird thing is about driving this van is not actually the size of it. It's when you're driving through town or anywhere for that matter, when you're doing like a certain speed, you feel like you're going really fast, and you look down and you're actually doing like 40 and a 60. Like for now, for example, like I'm doing a measly 35 miles an hour on a national road, and I feel like I'm doing about 50 right now. Yeah, that's probably the weirdest part. The second weirdest part is the way it handles, because it's a van, isn't it? But it's had this lower suspension, and surprisingly, this is front wheel drive by the way, it grips and handles absolutely phenomenally. Like I can't really explain it. It is just really fun and decent in the corners. It's great. It's so much great fun. What else about this van? It's quick. It's got 204 PS, and whoa, look at that! From a standstill, from just now, I literally got to 50 in like literally no time. Like, don't get me wrong. When you're driving it at speed, so let's say 16, you put your foot down, it will not have that same punchiness as you were like in a lower speed. But when you're at a lower speed and you put your foot down, that initial shove of torque, it really does shift this van. It's surprising. I've had a lot of people like just looking around, oh look how cute, look how like fancy, and look how racy it looks, and then they try it on, even though it's not been modified, like tuned or anything. It's just like cosmetically it's just been enhanced. You put your foot down and it does put you back in your seat a little bit, and it is quick, and it shocks some people. I've had people try to overtake me, and I put my foot down, and I actually leave them. It's so funny. Not like Ferraris or anything, but like, you know, that's normal like hatchbacks, family hatchbacks. Look at me. Look at me. I'm almost doing 60. Look at that. For a van, I think it's about 2.1 tons, and it just shifts so fast. And I think the 0 to 60 is just over 9 seconds, so it's fast, really fast. A lot of fun. If you want a van and you want to get to work in time but want to have fun at the same time, this is the van to get. Imagine putting a tune on it as well. Imagine the barrel laugh show with that. All in all, excellent van. So happy with it. Happy I won it. Shout out to Dream Car Giveaways, which is where I won the van from. One singular ticket for £4, and I just happened to be a lucky winner out of the 18 other thousand or 16,000 entries there were. Jobs are good, and I don't really know what else to really tell you about this van. It is economical as well. Don't get me wrong. Although it's the high output van with the 200 and then wheel spin. Well, here we go! Have a look at this. Oh, it's 50 down here. Calm down. But yeah, got to 50 very quickly. But yeah, well, like I was saying, don't get me wrong. Actually, no, I'm not going that way. I'm going straight on. What am I doing? Don't get me wrong. This van is powerful, and it's got the higher output engine. It is still economical. If you drive it sensibly, don't wheel spin it like I just did, you will get decent MPGs. You'll get 45 plus. I think I got about 600 miles out of a tank out of this the other day when I was doing quite a lot of miles on it, and it was comfortable. It wasn't quiet, but it was quiet for a van. Not that I have any experience with vans, but it was quiet enough. And yeah, it's comfortable. It's fairly quiet. It's quick. It's really fun in the corners, which is really surprising. And what more could you ask for a works van? I can't answer any more. So I hope this video is like, I know it's a bit out the ordinary. It's not normal what I normally do, but I thought it'd be fun to share you something like this. And I've actually had a lot of fun making this video, even though how quick of a video it's been compared to normal. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I do have some more content in the future, but of course my schedule is very, what's the words, inconsistent. So yeah, don't hold your breath on it. So I'll have a video in sometime in the future. I've got quite a few plans, just don't know when they're coming out. But in the meantime, have a great day, and I'll see you next time.